Gas ranges are set up by the factory to operate on natural gas. Install the LP conversion kit if you want to use LP gas. This guide is for reference only. Carefully follow the instructions included with the manufacturer-approved LP kit to convert your range. Warning: the LP conversion kit must be installed by a qualified installer, familiar with all precautions required to comply with state and local requirements. Failure to follow instructions may result in fire, explosion, or production of carbon monoxide, causing property damage, personal injury, or loss of life. The qualified installer is responsible for the correct installation of the LP conversion kit. Don't attempt this conversion unless you're qualified to complete it safely. Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Now, let's get started. Shut off the house circuit breaker for the range. Turn the gas shutoff valve to the off position. Remove all the cooktop grates. Lift the burner caps off the burner heads. Using a 3/16" socket, remove the nuts that secure the gas burner heads in place. Remove the burner heads. Using a 7mm nut driver, remove the orifices from the burner orifice holders. Determine which LP orifices go to the range burners. The LP conversion kit instructions provide the LP orifice BTU ratings. Refer to your owner's manual to see the BTU ratings on the range burners and match the LP orifices to the burners based on their BTU ratings. Screw the LP orifices firmly into the burner orifice holders. Position the burner heads in the correct locations. Reinstall the burner head screws and tighten them firmly. Cover the burner heads with the correct burner caps. Reinstall the grates on the cooktop. Open the warmer drawer fully. Pull up on the left release lever and pull the warmer drawer out slightly. Push down on the right release lever and pull the warmer drawer out of the range. Using a wrench, unscrew and remove the hex nut cap on the pressure regulator. Remove the plastic conversion plug. Flip the conversion plug over and reinsert it into the pressure regulator. Reinstall the hex nut cap. Tighten the broil burner orifice spud 1 to 1/2 turns to bottom out snug against the burner tube. Do not over-tighten. Loosen the air shutter lock screw and open the air shutter fully. Tighten the air shutter lock screw. Tighten the bake burner orifice spud 1.5 turns to bottom out snug against the burner valve. Do not over-tighten. Loosen the air shutter lock screw and open the air shutter fully. Tighten the air shutter lock screw. Position the warmer drawer on the rails. Push the warmer drawer shut. Switch on the electrical circuit breakers and open the gas supply valve. Check the operation of the burners. If the oven flame is lifting away from the burner, reduce the air shutter opening. Test the oven burners and adjust the air shutters to achieve the proper flames.